Okay guys, today my husband is making a meatloaf for Christmas dinner, and we are using the 4.5 pounds of ground beef, 96.4%, I think. He's just added the, what did you add, honey?
Onion soup mix.
He just added some onion soup mix. How many packages are you using, honey?
9 pounds going on here.
Okay.
Probably 3.
Okay, he says he's going to use 3 packages of the onion soup mix. And what else you're using? Hold it in front of the camera. Okay, onion powder. Garlic powder from my favorite brand, Trade East. I'm sorry guys, I may not be doing a lot of talking in this video, to let you guys just enjoy the process in a peaceful environment.
About to disrupt that peaceful environment.
Okay, hold on a second. Let's see. Okay, he's using the crackers. What are they? Saltine? Yeah. Okay, so he's using saltine crackers. Okay.
With sea salt.
With sea salt. So I think the company is making, or is trying to make, the crackers a little bit healthier. And as you can see now, he's crumbling in the crackers. Do you know how many you're going to use of those, the packages?
Probably going to use all of them.
Okay.
Yes, I washed my hands.
Of course, honey. We don't play that around here. We always wash our hands before we start messing with food. Give me a cracker, honey. I'm hungry. You can hardly taste the salt in them. Okay, so now he's getting ready to add the eggs. He does 2 eggs per pound, so we're looking at 18 eggs. And we are using the so I can show the front. The Egg Blend's Best, the one with the excellent source of vitamins D, E, B2, B12, B5, 25% less saturated fat, and 140 milligrams of omega-3. Go ahead, babe. Okay, guys, and that is all 18 eggs in the mix. All 18. Okay, honey. Now what's next?
Rinse my hands off.
Okay.
Sip on a beer.
Okay, guys. Here my husband have it all mixed together. And we're using a foil pan. And he have the tomato paste. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So now it's going to go in the oven. Yeah, we didn't want to take up a lot of you guys' time and bore you with the mixing part. You know how it goes. So we're to this part right now, and it's getting ready to go into the oven. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, and here is the finished product. This is what my husband made for Christmas dinner. Meatloaf. Now, if you guys want to see my husband cook some more, make some more dinners, some more meals, burn something on the stove, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Now tell me, that's not enough to fill a hungry belly. Happy eating and happy holidays. And here is my husband's plate to go with all that beer.